Alright, today we're going to talk about possessive adjectives. This is the words that you use when you talk about something as being my, your, his, her, their, or our. So, things that we're going to be trying to get to today. Speaking, writing, common vocabulary, phrases, and structures. Responding to simple questions and interpreting simple messages on a national level. Possessive adjectives are like other adjectives in that they agree in number and also in gender with the nouns that follow them. Only nuestro has different masculine and feminine endings. Su and sus can have many different endings, meanings. His, her, its, your, and their. So this is something to just keep in mind. At the bottom we have the corresponding subject pronouns. So for yo, for I, if I want to say something is my, for example, water bottle, I would say es mi botella de agua. If I said they're my water bottles, plural, we're going to match it with the noun as usual, making sure that it matches. So mis botellas de agua, because we want to make sure that it's also plural. Same rules apply. You can't change a word that doesn't end in an O or an A to match your noun, but you can make it plural, just like other adjectives. So, mi becomes mis when botella becomes botellas. If it's your water bottle, it's tu botella de agua. Notice the very similar spelling between tu and tu. When it's the subject pronoun for you, you have an accent on the you. When it means your, you take the accent away. So, tu botella de agua, but if it's plural, more than one bottle, it's tus botellas de agua. This is the word su and sus. It can go with his, her, its, your, or their. So many different meanings for su and sus. So, his water bottle, su botella. Her water bottle, su botella. Your, as in usted, you formal, your water bottle, su botella. And then also if you look down at the very bottom, their, as in ellos or ellas, belonging to them, su botella. Ustedes, your, as in your plural, su botella. And you make those plural, botellas, those become sus botellas de agua. The two that have 4 different ways to say them, nuestro and vuestro. You've got nuestro means our, nuestra, if it's a feminine word. This matches your noun. So think about this. With the word botella, you want to make sure that you use nuestra, our bottle, and it's matching the A in botella. But if I had something that was masculine, like a television, televisor, I would use nuestro because it's masculine. Making those plural, if I had bottles plural, it would be nuestras botellas. If I had more than one television, nuestros televisores. We want to make sure that we match, again, the noun in gender and number. At the bottom, you've got vosotros, you formal. So if it's all of your, I would say vuestro. Oops, that should have no S on the end of it. Vuestro. If I wanted to say it's your television, I'd say it's vuestro televisor. If I wanted to say it belongs, or we have multiple televisions, I'd say vuestros televisores. Going back to our old water bottle, if all of you guys own the bottle, it's vuestra botella. And then if all of you own multiple bottles, it would be vuestras botellas. Again, matching your noun. So, it tells what belongs to somebody. That's the possessive part. Recuerdas just means remember. You know that de shows possession or a relationship, and it is equivalent of an apostrophe s in English. In Spanish, you don't have an apostrophe s. Like, for example, in the phrase, los primos de Ana. In English, we'd say Anna's cousins, but they don't have an apostrophe s in Spanish. So we could say the full phrase, los primos de Ana. Literally, the cousins of Anna. That's the long form. The second phrase says, la tía de David. It's the aunt of David. If we were to change these phrases and put them into her cousins, his aunt, we would use our new possessive adjectives. So instead of saying los primos de Ana, I would say sus primos. Even though Anna is a single person, the word cousins is the word that's plural, so we'd use sus, her cousins. If I wanted to say David's aunt, I would say it's his aunt, su tia. The su is matching up with tia, the word that it is describing. Over on the right-hand side, I have a few more examples. Los hermanos de ella, the brothers of her. We would say sus hermanos, her brothers. That's the shortened form with possessive adjectives. The bottom one says la madre de ella, the mother of her, or su madre, her mother. Each way is effective, but you have a choice which one you want to use, the full form, la madre de ella, or her mother, su madre.